Well, she said just put the leg. Could have put you in the front. You would have been able to put your legs out.
My adventures in Wonderland began when I followed the white rabbit down the rabbit hole. All of a sudden, I fell. Down, down, down.
Oh, looking for the white rabbit? Well, how will it grow?
Oh, Mr. Rabbit, wait, please.
He went this way. No, that way. Wait, I'm late for a really important thing. I'd like to say hello, goodbye, and later.
Curious place to find a rabbit.
Lost, perchance? I'm not sure where I am either.
Hey, don't go me.
You could try. This way.
We're making the roses red.
Now tell the queen what you have seen.
Or see, that's what we said. But we're making the roses red. No, not green.
Her Royal Majesty, the Queen of Hearts, and the King.
Shall we play croquet?
Rule 42. The Queen will always win.
No, you still go to hell. Oh yeah.